Hi everybody, Dr. Kerry Yerkew here. I'm a chiropractor in Kelowna, and today I'm talking about joint pain. As a chiropractor, we see joint pain on a daily basis, and there's a variety of joint pain that we can see. It can be spinal pain, where the neck, mid-back, or low back is involved. Sometimes we have a combination of the low back and hip pain, or sacroiliac joint pain, and then we see shoulder injuries, elbow, wrist pain, knees, and feet as well. So there can be a variety of different causes for joint pain, and then once we diagnose the condition correctly, then we apply the right treatment for it. And that treatment might involve chiropractic adjustments, either by hand or using an instrument, laser, which is a light therapy, shockwave, which is a sound or acoustic wave, and orthotics, depending on if there's a short leg or maybe poor arches in the feet, causing other conditions like foot pain or plantar fasciitis. So there's a number of different treatments available in our clinic for joint pain. If you do have joint pain, we are accepting new patients. No doctor referral is needed, and we bill directly to insurance. Usually you can see a new patient on the same or next day, and you could either DM me or comment here, or you could also click on the link in our bio and it'll take you to our booking site. And then I hope to see you soon.